Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add or change your email address on Amazon Prime Video. This is particularly useful if you've switched email providers or simply want to use a different email for your Prime Video account, notifications, and communications. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to look toward the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find your profile icon. Hover your mouse over this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, go ahead and select Account and Settings. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your Prime Video account. After clicking on Account and Settings, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, look at the top menu and navigate to the section labeled Your Account. This area contains all the personal information and preferences associated with your Prime Video profile, making it the perfect place to update your email details. Now, on this page, you'll see various options for managing your account information. Look for the section that says Change Your Name, Email, Mobile Number, Password, and more. Right beside this text, you'll notice an Edit on Amazon button. Click on this button. This step is important because it redirects you to your main Amazon account settings, where your Prime Video information is also stored and managed. Once you're in the Amazon account settings page, scan through the options until you locate the email section. Right beside the email label, you'll see an Edit button. Go ahead and click on it. This will allow you to modify the email address currently associated with your account. A new field will appear where you can enter your new email address. Type in the email you want to use moving forward, making sure there are no typos or errors. After entering your new email, click the button that says Change Email Address. This initiates the verification process to ensure that you have access to the new email you've entered. Amazon takes security seriously, so you'll receive a security code sent directly to the new email address you just provided. Check your inbox for this code. It should arrive within a few moments, though you might need to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Once you have the code, enter it in the verification field and then click Verify Email Address. And that's it. Your email address has been successfully updated on your Amazon Prime Video account. All future communications and notifications will now be sent to your new email address. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.